Welcome to Scubafy 101, Episode 5. This video walks you through to the equipment inventory feature and how dive centers manage gear in one dashboard. Here you will see an overview of all your equipments. Click Available to view a detailed list of all ready-to-use equipment, including condition and service dates. Use the three-dot menu to edit equipment details, track equipment condition, and manage rental informations. To rent or return equipment, click the three dots and select Rent or Return Equipment, then choose the customer who will use it. You can also enter the rental price and select the start and end dates to define the duration of use. Click Rent and the equipment will automatically be assigned to the selected customer's record. This will remove the equipment from the available equipment list and mark it as in use. In the In Use section, you can see all equipment currently assigned to customers along with their status and condition. And of course, you can also track equipment that is currently under maintenance or inspection. To add new equipment, click Add Equipment, then fill in the equipment type and basic details. You can also add rental details including item value, rental rate, and rental timeframe before saving the equipment. And that's it. Smartly track and manage your dive equipment with Scubafy.